Question number 1. Which step of the nursing process involves setting goals? Correct option is A. Planning. Question number 2. Which is the most common site of pressure ulcers? Correct option is C. Sacrum. Question number 3. What does PRN means in medication orders? Correct option is B. Is needed. Question number 4. When is pulse checked in an unconscious patient? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 5. What does aseptic technique mainly prevent? Correct option is D. Infection. Question number 6. Which level of prevention includes immunization? Correct option is B. Primary. Question number 7. What is the earliest sign of hypovolemic shock? Correct option is C. Tachycardia. Question number 8. What is the safest injection site in shock? Correct option is D. IV route prepared. Question number 9. Why should tetracycline not be given to children? Correct option is C. Discoloration of teeth. Question number 10. What is the most common cause of neonatal mortality? Correct option is B. Prematurity. Question number 11. Which error is most common in medication administration? Correct option is C. Wrong time. Question number 12. Which lab value reflects nutritional status? Correct option is C. Albumin. Question number 13. Which drug prevents postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 14. Which of the following condition needs reverse isolation? Correct option is D. Neutropenia. Question number 15. What is the first priority in any emergency situation? Correct option is A. Airway. Question number 16. Which of the medication causes photosensitivity? Correct option is B. Tetracycline. Question number 17. Why is aspirin contraindicated in children with viral fever? Correct option is C. Reye's syndrome. Question number 18. Which vitamin is given with measles vaccine at 9 months? Correct option is A. Vitamin A. Question number 19. Which vaccine prevents pneumococcal meningitis? Correct option is D. PCV vaccine. Question number 20. Which vaccine schedule requires boosters during childhood? Correct option is a DPT vaccine. Question number 21. What is the recommended site for BCG vaccine? Correct option is B. Left upper arm. Question number 22. Which disease is prevented by pentavalent vaccine? Correct option is C. Pipe disease. Question number 23. What is the recommended site for pentavalent vaccine in infant? Correct option is D. Vestis lateralis. Question number 24. What is the main aim of immunization? Correct option is B. To prevent disease. Question number 25. What vaccine is used to prevent chicken pox? Correct option is D. Varicella vaccine. Question number 26. What device is used to store the vaccines in health centers? Correct option is a refrigerator. Question number 27. What is the recommended site for vaccination in adult? Correct option is D. Deltoid muscle. Question number 28. What is the interval between two doses of DPT in infancy? Correct option is B. 4 weeks. Question number 29. What vaccine is contraindicated during pregnancy? Correct option is C. MMR vaccine. Question number 30. What is the most common systemic reaction after vaccination? Correct option is A. Fever. Question number 31. What test is used to check freezing damage in vaccine? Correct option is B. Shake test. Question number 32. What vaccine is given in to newborns within 24 hours? Correct option is D. Hepatitis B. Question number 33. What is the main complication of severe anemia in pregnancy? Correct option is B. Heart failure. Question number 34. What is the most common infection causing preterm labor? Correct option is C. UTI. Question number 35. What is the characteristic uterine finding in abruption? Correct option is D. Border-like ridge uterus. Question number 36. Which petal heart pattern indicates cord compression? Correct option is C. Variable deceleration. Question number 37. What is the most common symptom of severe preeclampsia? Correct option is B. Headache. Question number 38. Which enzyme is elevated in HELP syndrome? Correct option is B. ALT in AST. Question number 39. What is the preferred mode of delivery in major placenta previa? Correct option is C. C-section. Question number 40. Which blood pressure reading indicates gestational hypertension? Correct option as D greater than or equal to 140 by 90. Question number 41. What is the common fetal presentation and placenta previa? Correct option is B breech. Question number 42. Which trimester has maximum risk of deep vein thrombosis in pregnancy? Correct option is D postpartum. Question number 43. What is the most serious complication of eclampsia? Correct option is B stroke. Question number 44. What is the most common symptom of uterine rupture? Correct option is D sudden severe abdominal pain. Question number 45. Which fetal complication is common in anemia? Correct option is B prematurity. Question number 46. What is the primary prevention of Rh isoimmunization? Correct option is a anti-D injection. Question number 47. Which blood group mother is at highest risk of Rh incompatibility? Correct option is the Rh negative group. Question number 48. What is the common complication of multiple pregnancy? Correct option is B preeclampsia. Question number 49. What is the main cause of maternal death in eclampsia? Correct option is D cerebral hemorrhage. Question number 50. Which lab abnormalities compounds low platelets in HELP syndrome? Correct option is C greater than 1 lakh. Question number 51. Which maternal complication is seen in polyhydramnios? Correct option is A preterm labor. Question number 52. Which site is preferred for subcutaneous injection? Correct option is A abdomen. Question number 53. Which electrolyte imbalance causes cardiac arrhythmias? Correct option is A hyperkalemia. Question number 54. Which symptom is common in anxiety disorder? Correct option is D rapid heartbeat. Question number 55. Which nutritional deficiency causes goiter? Correct option is B iodine. Question number 56. Which action prevent infection spread in communities? Correct option is D all of the above. Question number 57. Why is health education important in communities? Correct option is A prevent disease. Question number 58. Which artery is checked during infant CPR? Correct option is G brachial artery. Question number 59. Which priority nursing action is drowning patient? Correct option is B. CPR. Question number 60. Which intervention prevents pressure ulcer in immobile patient? Correct option is A. Frequent turning. Question number 61. Which complication occurs due to prolonged labor? Correct option is A. Fetal distress. Question number 62. Which maternal position prevents vena cava compression? Correct option is C. Left lateral. Question number 63. Which petal lie is normal for vaginal delivery? Correct option is D. Longitudinal. Question number 64. Which complication occurs due to preeclampsia? Correct option is A. Eclampsia. Question number 65. Which complication is common in multiple pregnancy? Correct option is D. Preterm birth. Question number 66. Which condition causes dehydration in children? Correct option is B. Diarrhea. Question number 67. Which disease causes chronic airway inflammations? Correct option is A. Asthma. Question number 68. Which disease causes bone weakness due to calcium loss? Correct option is the osteoporosis. Question number 69. What is the most common cause of urinary tract infection? Correct option is B. Bacteria. Question number 70. What term describes painful urination? Correct option is a dysuria. Question number 671. When does maximum petal movement occur? Correct option is a 20th week. Question number 72. Where does fertilization normally occur? Correct option is C. Fallopian tube. Question number 73. What is the normal range of serum potassium? Correct option is B. 3.5 to 5 milliequal per liter. Question number 74. Which ECG waves represent arterial defolarization? Correct option is A. P wave. Question number 75. What is the normal hemoglobin level in females? Correct option is C. 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. Question number 76. Which vitamin is needed for calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. When does quickening occur in pregnancy? Correct option is D. 16 to 20th weeks. Question number 78. What is the normal platelets lifespan? Correct option is B. 7 to 10 days. Question number 79. Which infection causes Koplik spots. Correct option is B, measles. Question number 80. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Correct option is C, vitamin C.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C, 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B, infection. Question number 83. Which pulside is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C, carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B, brachial artery. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B, autoclaving. Question number 87. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Correct option is C, fat. Question number 88. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? Correct option is B, oxytocin. Question number 89. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct option is A, goiter. Question number 90. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? Correct option is B, white blood cells. Question number 91. Which hormone prepares breast for lactation? Correct option is C, prolactin. Question number 92. Which stage of labor begins with full cervical dilation? Correct option is B, second stage. Question number 93. Which disease causes slap-cheeked rash? Correct option is C, Pepth disease. Question number 94. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets in children? Correct option is C, vitamin D. Question number 95. Which diagnostic test evaluates heart electrical activity? Correct option is A, ECG. Question number 96. Which drug is used as antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is A, naloxone. Question number 97. Which level of prevention focuses on early disease detection? Correct option is B, secondary. Question number 98. Which technique prevents infection during procedures? Correct option is A, aseptic techniques. Question number 99. Which test is used to assess kidney function? Correct option is D. Serum creatinine. Question number 100. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis.